Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript code to your WordPress site using a really user-friendly plugin called WP Code. Whether you want to tweak your site's design, add unique features, or simply try out a new effect, you'll have the tools to do it safely, without needing to touch any theme files or risk breaking your site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to inject your own custom code in just a few easy steps. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Plugins section on the left-hand sidebar. Give that a click and then select Add New. This is the starting point for almost any new feature you add to WordPress, but today we're searching for a specific plugin. Type WP Code into the search bar. WP Code is a well-maintained, safe plugin designed exactly for adding custom codes. Once you see WP Code, sometimes it's called Insert Headers and Footers by WP Code, go ahead and click Install now. After it installs, be sure to hit Activate. If you skip this, the plugin won't actually be running on your site. Take a moment here. Sometimes plugins take a few seconds to activate, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. Now, when you return to your dashboard, you'll notice something new in your sidebar, a menu labeled Code Snippets. WP Code adds this for you, and it's where all your custom code will live going forward. Click on Code Snippets. You'll see a space that's likely empty for now, but this is where you can organize and manage all the little bits of code you want to use. Next, click the Add New button near the top. This is where the real fun begins. You'll see several options, and WP Code makes it crystal clear which type of code you'd like to add. Maybe you want to change the look of a button with custom CSS, embed a widget with some HTML, or enhance functionality with JavaScript. The choice is yours. Simply pick the type that matches what you're trying to achieve. For example, if you want a floating button, you could select JavaScript, or if you want to adjust the color of headings, pick CSS. Once you've chosen, you'll get a simple box where you can paste or type your code. Now, a helpful tip here: before saving, you might want to give your snippet a clear title, like Custom Footer Style or Pop-up Widget. This will make things much easier to manage down the road if you add lots of snippets. Paste your code into the appropriate box, double-check for any extra spaces or typo errors, and take a deep breath. If you're not sure the code will work, it's totally fine. WP Code lets you enable or disable snippets at any time, so nothing is set in stone. Finally, once you're happy with your code, just click the blue Save button. Don't forget this step: saving actually activates the code on your website. And that's it. Head over to your site, refresh the page, and take a look at the changes you just made. If things don't look quite right, no worries. You can come back, edit, or deactivate the snippet with just a few clicks. It's all reversible, so there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned to safely add your own custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript to a WordPress site. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or hit any snags along the way, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.